Hello everybody, it's me, Duck, and today this will be my introduction episode, so please enjoy. One day, Basil, the big timber engine, was pulling the Royal Great Wester. He was just chuffing and puffing when there was a randomly placed landmine, and he boomed right off the rails. Oh, how am I gonna get out of this one? God, this is gonna be a pain. Wait, what's that? Hello there, friend. What's your name? Montague, but everyone calls me Duck. What do you mean, how many? Another 815? Wait, you're part of 816 members of the 57 pannier tank? Yeah. You're the Montague. My name is Duck. 1, you need to get yourself to the steamworks. 2, I'll be taking your coaches. Fine. I like being on display. What about you? I like causing crashes. You? Pulling the Royal British Wester. It's the Wild British Wester. Oh yeah. What happened to you? I hit a randomly placed landmine and I blew up and I fell off the track. Wait, who even placed that? That is a story for another day. Bro thinks he's Victor Tanzik. Well, he is one of our favourite YouTubers. Good point. Alright, then let me show you beauties how us Great Western engines do it. Oh, come on. There we go. Much better. Now. Watch me fly by like a duck. Look at me, I'm pulling a train. Ah, 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 ah. Stop. What the? What are you doing out here? I'm pulling a train, said Duck. Can't you see? Where are your coaches then? Duck looked back. Why, bless me, if we haven't left them behind. I must go after them. No. Oh, come on. I must find them, even if it takes me all my life. That is me, Duck, signing out. Wrong way.